How to sign up for Amazon Prime Student account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Amazon Prime Student Portal and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this one website option, amazon.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Amazon. Now over here you will find this section, Try Prime Student. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now over here you will see the option of create a new Amazon account. Click on it. Now, in order to create your account, you have to fill this. Provide your details. Type in your first and last name. Type in your email address. Generate password for your account. Once you fill all these, click on the option of create your Amazon account. Now you have to verify your email address. You will be receiving code in your email address. You have to type in that code over here. Once you type in, click on create your Amazon account. Enter your details. Now you have to fill these sections. Firstly, select your university. Type in your first name. Type in your last name. Type in your date of birth. Firstly, select the month. Likewise, day and then year. Click on this drop-down of graduation year and select it. Now scroll down, select a payment method. From here you can add payment method. If you have any gift card, voucher or promotional code, you can type in over here and click on apply. Fill this, you will be good to go. Your account will be created. So this way you can easily sign up for Amazon Prime Student account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.